do the intro. They can't see what it is yet.
They're like, boom! Yo, 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 welcome to G. I'm just gonna...
Why you so gangster on camera? It's like, good morning, good morning. Camera's on. What's up?
Yo, it's Audra in the house.
What is going on, guys? It is your boy, James Becker from Reviews, here today with a whole new series, a whole new review, and I got my special guest,
Audra.
holding it down. And I know people are like, Jamie, the shoe reviews, Jamie, what are you doing? Jamie, I'm here to give the people what they want. And today, the people want to know about a common man's food, or woman, because it's 2020, you gotta make sure you say men and women. Cereal. Now, Jamie, why are you reviewing cereal? We know what cereal is, but do you really know what is the best cereal? So, what is the most popular cereal in the market, Audra?
I would say maybe Frosted Flakes.
Frosted Flakes? Facts, I agree. It's like we knew this was gonna happen.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Frosted Flakes. Now, Frosted Flakes is great, but you know, I am known for balling on a budget. So sometimes, you go to the store, the cereal aisle, you see all the flavors and all the kinds and the differentiations of the different kinds of cereals and all that, and you're like, you know what? This one's a little bit cheaper. This one costs a little bit less. $3 a box. But then you see the other one, kind of like lower, lower, and then you see like a white box. Very plain Jane, not much going on. You go, you know what? How is that? And today we got Frosty Flakes. Not to be confused with Frosted Flakes. These are Frosty Flakes. So, same thing on both sides.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Okay, so let's start off with just the presentation of the box. Frosted Flakes. So you all know about Tony the Tiger. Tony looks good, man. He's been aging well.
Looking great.
Wow.
Sorry, my bad.
I mean, Tony has the headband with his name on it, custom headband, that costs money. The blue box, add some color to it, that costs money. But then, of course, you got the presentation of Kellogg's. You know what you're getting. Compared to Frosty Flakes, you see this is an abominable snowman. Yeah. Oh, I get it. He's frosty. He's cold. I kind of like that.
I do too.
Okay, so get this, the snow theme. Tiger theme, snow theme. Wasn't there a movie on Netflix about tigers?
There's Tiger King, but I don't know if that's what you're thinking about. Not endorsed by Joe Exotic.
Wait, is he in jail?
I think so.
Oh.
Hashtag free Joe Exotic.
Free Joe. What do you think about the presentation of the boxes compared to each other?
I love this font, honestly. It's really cute. I like how simple the box is compared to this one. But this does seem like a sporty cereal.
Yeah, I feel like, kind of like I get my Gatorade and then like my Frosted Flakes in the morning before game day.
Yeah.
I'm going with this. This one says no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors, and no synthetic colors. So it makes me wonder, like, why are they saying it? Does this have the same thing? Does this got more going on?
Yeah, this does not say that.
So Frosted Flakes, Kellogg's, what are we doing?
What's going on here?
Are we putting in some artificial fructose corn syrup, artificial synthetic flavors and steroids? Let's find out. Let's open the boxes. All right. All right, take a whiff.
They look about the same.
The one has
Does smell better though.
Yeah, the one has a little more of a stench to it.
Yeah.
Right. What's the expiration date on that one?
April 19th, 21.
21? These things last forever. This one says January, so I feel like,
Huh.
I don't know. All right. let's take one out. Let's compare the actual texture of this thing. I mean, I feel like mine.
Yours looks frostier.
You know, mine's look, I don't know, looks kind of ashy.
Yeah.
Like, in the morning, you wake up, you're like, good morning, America. And you're like, ooh, I forgot to put lotion on my legs. This one forgot to put lotion on.
Oh, dang.
Hey, hop in the shower, a cold shower.
Yeah.
Walked out, it was windy that day. Yeah, yours look a little more, a little like glitter to it, a little shine to it, a little sheen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm feeling yours. Let's take a sample.
Not bad.
I mean, it's about what I expect.
Right.
All right, let me try one of those. All right, I need one of each.
I'm already leaning towards the frosted, but the true test is with milk.
Now, with milk, do you have a specific milk you like to use on cereals? Because people have different like ideas of like what's good milk. Cow milk, almond milk, soy milk.
There's lots of opinions out there. I personally use 2% organic milk from a cow.
Wow.
And it's good. Yeah. But I get that some people don't do dairy, so in that case.
The lactose and everything.
Right.
Now, some people are like, because they feel like the animals, the plant-based diet, they don't want to use any cow milk and all that, which is respectable. But today we got some cow milk, but it's ultra filtered, half the sugar. This is 2% milk, added proteins, calcium. Costs a little bit of money. Costs more than a cereal actually.
Yeah.
But since you were here, I was like, no, I can't be cheap. Gotta spend the big bucks on Audra. And then, so yeah, this is gonna be some lactose milk because your boy can't handle that. Your boy be having issues if I go too hard in the paint with the milk.
Yeah.
So we'll keep it at that. All right. Let's try a little bit of the Frosted Flakes. Now, the technique in the pour is everything. Watch. Gotta like hover over it and just lean back, lean back, lean back. There we go. Not too much milk.
Yeah.
Just enough to kind of get in there.
Especially with this kind of cereal, it'll get soggy really quick.
Facts. Frosted Flakes is known for being soggy quick. You get like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
We're already like 5 seconds in. Let's go.
All right.
All right, this is gonna be.
Yep, that's Frosted Flakes.
A little sweeter than I remember.
Just a bit.
Man, I'm just getting old.
Yeah, everything is too sweet now.
Yeah, like when I was like 14 years old, waking up in the morning watching Pokemon, I was like, yeah, okay, I'm probably a little too old to watch Pokemon, but also watching it back then, cereals were just fine. Now everything's too sweet, too much. Not bad though. I mean, it tastes like Frosted Flakes. About what you expect. So no surprise there. Probably the same recipe they've been using for the last like 30, 40 years. Nothing different. But let's talk about the Frosted Flakes. Yeah, yes, queen. All right, here we go. We need slow motion.
Yeah.
Hold up. That was quite amazing.
I feel like they're a bit crunchier, which
Yeah.
I like.
Definitely crunchier. Like,
A little less sweet too. Little. Marginally.
yeah. It's like Frosted Flakes. It's like Frosty Crunch. Like a little less flaky. It's like the better friend. Make plans with them, they show up.
Truly.
Yeah, I would say a little less sugar, tasting wise. Actually, let's see, how much sugar is it? This says for 1 1/4 cup, you get 15 grams of sugar.
All right.
And that says,
For 1 cup, you get 14 grams.
see, I hate when they do that. When they do the whole like, the serving size is 1 1/4 cup. That's 1 cup. So look, we have less sugar, but really you don't. Serving size is smaller.
Right.
You can't fool us. Who do you think we are? We're not rookies in the food game. Episode 1.
Right.
All right. Go to the store. They see the great value, the off-brand, the kind of basic brand versus the name brand. They want some Frosted Flakes. What do they do? What are the options?
Well, I would always give it a shot, you know. Don't knock it until you try it. I am a brand hoe, but
Really? You have an iPhone
sometimes I do.
with a PlayStation?
Yeah.
I bet you drive a Kia too.
Oh my God. He knows I drive a Kia. You got me.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'd definitely try it again, and I strongly recommend to others.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, like in a crunch, no pun intended, I would just go with the cheaper brand. Like, it's like you wake up in the morning, you want some cereal, you're quick, because obviously if you have more time, you probably eat eggs and bacon and French toast. But like, you ain't got time for all that. Anybody got time for that? So what you gotta do is do what you gotta do. Wake up, pour it in a bowl. Have you ever ate cereal on your way to work? Like,
Not yet.
oh, it's real. You're not there yet.
In a
like,
cup?
Bruh, disposable cups, plastic spoons, cereal in the cup. You just whip it. You're like, ooh, ooh. Like it's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Like you gotta be working 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and you live 10 minutes away,
Oh my God.
bruh.
I'd be scared I'd spill it, but.
Wow, do what you gotta do.
Right.
Anyway, I would say Frosted Flakes is obviously safe bet, but I'm not mad at the Frosty Flakes.
Yeah.
I like the name, Frosty Flakes.
Holding it down.
Holding it down, giving the people what they want for a great value. But this is her Target brand. But if you're at Walmart, it'd be great value brand, I'm sure. But yeah. Guys, let me know what you guys think about the cereals. Do you have a favorite cereal? Do you want us to try some other cereals? Please, put down suggestions. No, I want to try some Cocoa Puffs. Maybe.
Reese's Puffs.
I don't
Sorry, I love peanut butter cereal.
like peanut butter cereal. But I guess we should try it since I was like real young when I first tried it. A lot of things that I didn't like back in the day that I didn't eat, that I eat now, I like it more.
Okay. It's pretty sugary though.
But yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. This is Foodie Fridays, guys. So every Friday we'll do another food-related review, whether it's cereals, whether it's like fruit snacks, or whether it's PB&J, or maybe do a cooking video.
That'd be fun.
But we'll have Audrey here. And yeah, this is episode 1, so we'll figure it out. I mean, I know the lighting and all that, and audio, you guys complain, but yeah, it's okay. Episode 1. We all start somewhere. And with that said, be sure to stay in school, do not do drugs, and if you can, please, with all your might, just try to keep it tight. Just keep it tight. They don't understand. They don't want to.
Just keep it tight, y'all.
Yeah, like who wants to be loose?
I don't even like that word.
Yeah, it's just like it's a trigger word. It's like I don't know. Like people confuse what keep it tight means.
Keep it tight.
It just means stay true to yourself. Don't let the world around you make you do things that you're not comfortable with in yourself. You gotta live your own life. So stay close to who you are. Keep it tight.